It was suggested to us that in a motorhome we're going to need to go onto a campsite at least every other day to plug in and top up with water and all that, but we have managed to survive off-grid the entire week. If you haven't yet seen the previous videos, check those out. But tonight is the last night, so I thought I'd go back to my roots and do what I do best. A spot of stealth camping in this extremely inconspicuous vehicle. Now, one thing we are going to want to do is use the microwave later, so we need to pop in B&Q to grab a quick accessory for that. And then from there, find somewhere, probably on this very industrial estate in, where are we?
Sheffield.
Sheffield. We're going to pull up for the night and blend in like a chameleon.
Come a chameleon. You come and go. You come and go.
Wait, where are we going? Oh, here we go. B&Q. Oh, this is the deliveries bay.
Oh, nice.
Oh, nice. I keep forgetting we're not in a manoeuvrable little whip. So far, we're not having much luck with finding a decent parking space, but what I have found is a parking restriction sign, 3 hours minimum stay. No, maximum stay. Imagine that, you've got to stay for 3 hours. You're not allowed out till then. Oh, look, here we go. We can park around this bit.
Yes.
God, I love a bit of go outdoors.
Come in.
Becky, come out. Get me phone. It's in there. Electrical. This way.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Here's my thoughts. It's only just gone 1:30. We're not going to be stealth camping, obviously, till tonight. We don't want to go to the stealth camping spot at this time of day because, well, what's the point?
They'll bust us.
We need to arrive under the cover of darkness. We can't stay in this car park because of the restrictions. We need to scout out some places to stay, and I wouldn't mind going to TK Maxx, and we might be able to stay there.
Yes.
So, we're going to get back on the road briefly, find another part of this same industrial park. There's a bit up here that is Frankie and Benny's McDonald's. Oh, there's my gym! Whoa, what's he doing reversing into us? You maniac!
One of my gym's going to be over there.
What's your gym called?
The gym group.
What a stupid name for a gym.
What's your gym called?
Glenn.
This is Screwfix.
Hang on a minute. This looks like an option for stealth camping. Visitors use this car park at their own risk. Blah, 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 blah. We can stay here. See you later, Screwfix. Yeah, TK Maxx and Home Bargains.
Woo! And the range!
And the range!
And Iceland!
The range is where we can get you a hairdryer.
We left the pictures.
Did you know Iceland, the country,
yeah, I really want to
is
go.
mainly green, and Greenland is mainly ice?
Mm-hmm.
Stupid. That is not too bad, young Victoria. We've got 1, 2, 3, and a little bit. Thief! Thief! It was her. After you.
Thank you.
Microwave meals. You are going to get some use. Bit of a dilemma. It's not dark enough to go to Screwfix yet. We're going to have to find out what time they shut and go there after they shut, I think. But at the same time, we're running out of time to park here because we only had 2 hours in this spot.
Cheeky Nando's.
Cheeky Nando's.
Oh God! Oh God! Oh God!
I haven't had a Nando's in a while. There isn't one where I live. Get in the beast, Becky. Oh, what was that? Is that a goldfish? What was it? It made a goldfish sound. Oh, it's just a bottle. Oh, we might not be able to park in anywhere in here. Should we try and whip this thing round McDonald's drive-thru? Right, this is going to be a true test of the parking abilities of this slender beast. Well, this did not go to plan. Right, so it looks like our only option might be parking in the spot where we're going to be sleeping tonight. I don't know if that's a good idea. We could just park here and eat and then drive off. If anyone says anything, I'll say I'm having a baby. They always leave you alone if you're having a baby. Right, she reckons she's going to hoist the wall. She's done a good job of hoisting already. That's some good hoisting you're doing, Becky. And while she's doing that, I am going to sort out the back of this van, ready for dinner. First things first, we want a bit of heat in here. Is that hot? Oh, look at that. Then we want to get the table out to make it civilised. She's back. What happened?
Oh. It's so windy out there. Cheers.
We were just getting ready to go back round to B&Q to wait it out until they're shut, but we've noticed that there's so many new cars outside, all pulling up left, right and centre, and we're worried we're not going to get a parking spot if we come back at 8. So new plan, Victoria. We're going to batten down the hatches and we're just going to sit it out and pretend we're not in it.
Yeah.
Sneaky, sneaky, fiendish plan. Right, whilst we're waiting for all the humans to disappear, we've got the lights out that side. We've just got the bedroom light on this side. We're going to both do some work until Screwfix is shut. We're going to hunker down for a couple of hours. How do you hunker down? It's about hunkering. How does one hunker?
I don't know. Answer below in the comments. How does one like to hunker?
Whoa, my mouse! Let's be sensible for once in our little lives. I'm going to outwork you.
I'm gonna outwork you.
Bet you're not.
Yeah, I am.
No way.
Yeah.
No way. Ah, you're not clicking, you're not clicking.
I am.
I can hear boy racers all over the shop.
Why do people have that? Their cars farting all over the shop.
There's still a few people. Oh no, they are doing roadworks, Becky.
No.
They're not going to stop all night long. We've got enough water for 2 more showers before the trip ends. Alright, we're going to do a rock, paper, scissors to see who gets the first shower. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Ah! I've said it before and I'll say it again. Van showers are the one. I used to think they were unnecessary, especially because I'm a member of a gym and I can go to them all over the country, but trust me, van showers are the one. Also, check this out. New outfit from TK Maxx. I bought this purely because it's all the same colour. It's my stealth outfit for tonight.
Yep.
If I wear this, doesn't matter what happens out there, we will not get caught. The whole van's shaking.
I'm all clean, clean like a dream. I need to dry my hair, that'll warm us up.
Right, come on and do a catwalk.
I need a plug.
How many watts is the hairdryer?
How many watts does a what? 2,000 watts.
Are you joking? Right, Becky, stand aside. The god of electricity will fix this. Let's open up my secret power station stash. What have we got left in here then? Can you feel the power?
Feel the power!
Right, Becky, I've got some bad news. We have to go outside.
I love going outside in subarctic temperatures. Why?
Because we have to go out there and take photos of each other doing this. Otherwise we can't make a thumbnail for the guys.
Oh.
How else will we portray the fact that we're being sneaky on our thumbnails?
Could have put some camouflage on.
No one would see us.
Oh yeah. So dark.
In order to take the perfect thumbnail to lure the audience in, we need to be better lit than this.
Yes.
I think if we hop that fence, go into the McDonald's car park,
Yep.
and use that street light, we should be able to get
Let's
a
do it.
golden thumbnail. I do apologise, but I think I've wasted both of our time.
Why?
It's not lit enough.
Okay. Back in the van.
Back in the van, there's a geezer over there from a safe company in that van right there, and he's staring at us. He's wondering what the hell we're doing. He's going to think we're breaking into this thing. Second resort, we're just going to have to take the thumbnails in here. Becky!
What?
It's happened!
What's happened?
30,000 subscribers.
Yes!
How do we celebrate? 30,000 micro pizzas.
Yes!
Well, we've only got 2, but we can have
We
them.
can cut them up into 30,000 pieces.
You little bunch of legends, well not little bunch, you massive bunch
Massive
of 30,000
30,000
legends. So as you might remember from was it the last video or the one before? One of them. We used the EcoFlow to run outside and literally plug the motorhome into the EcoFlow, and it started charging a whole motorhome, but it did make the plug sockets become live so that we could use a microwave. But because it was charging the whole motorhome, it was draining that EcoFlow fast. So earlier on, I purchased an extension lead because I spoke to Rob earlier from Oak Tree Motorhomes, and he told us there is a plug socket up there for the microwave. So, new plan, we plug that into the extension lead, into the All Powers Beast, fire up the microwave, cut the micro pizzas into 30,000 bits, and we feast until we can no longer feast.
We've got fries to go. And now we have some 4 cheesy pizzas.
We could do 1 pizza and 1 fries on the plate, guess the time, whack it in, see what happens. Or we could do 2 pizzas on 1 plate, but then when they come out, they'll have to get cold whilst the fries are getting done. And if you have cold pizza, you kick off. Or we could do 1 pizza, then 1 fries, then 1 pizza, then 1 fries, and that will definitely cause you to kick off. You'll probably start breaking the cupboard doors off. So I think we'll do my pizza and my chips first.
Yeah.
And then I'll let them get cold whilst yours go in. That way you're not going to hurt me in my sleep.
Oh my god, that scared the life out of me. Oh.
How's she looking, first of all?
Oh yes.
Oh, thank you.
I got some mayonnaise.
That mayonnaise looks like PVA glue. That's horrible.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Mmm.
That 30,000 worth of pizza is the one. Can I just show them your mayonnaise? Where did you buy that from? That does not look like the best sauce. That looks like PVA glue. It's even in the same bottle. Right, can I try a little bit of your PVA glue?
Yes.
Mm. Oh.
Is it good?
No.
I've never found a cat in my floorboard.
Do you know what people have? All the time, in van life and motorhome living and that.
Cats.
No, mice living in their things. I see it all the time. And like, all the YouTubers have had it so far, apart from me. I can't wait to get my first mouse.
Cute.
They wake up and they hear like scurrying behind all the panels and that. And then they find their wires chewed through and the engine stops working and there's like little parcels left everywhere.
Oh, cute. They're
I
nice.
don't really like presents.
No, I know.
And yeah, and they always kill them. But if it happens to us and we get a mouse,
We're keeping him.
Yeah, 100%.
We'll get him and release.
No, we won't release him. We will make him work for us. You're very tired and sleepy, aren't you? Go to bed. Go on, sleep. Night. Me and the guys will have a chat.
The guys and I.
Night.
That's the correct grammar.
No, I don't use grammar. No, I haven't got time for it. Night. Right, guys, now that Becky's gone, I've got something secret to tell you.
I might have something to tell you on camera.
On camera?
Yeah.
What?
So, guys, Adam's always banging on about going for a number 2 in the toilet because it's going to smell for ages.
Have you had a dump in there?
I had a dump in there days ago.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't.
I did. It's been in there ever since.
You haven't.
I have.
How big was it if you were to gauge the density? Girth?
I'm only little and I don't go for giant logs like men apparently do. Yeah.
You've soiled my motorhome.
I wanted to do it to prove to you that you wouldn't be able to smell it. I mean, it's only one doo-doo in there.
It's not about the smell, it's the fact that I've been going around roundabouts with your whiskey butter smearing around a bucket in the back.
No, I have quite
What
hard
the hell
stools.
is whiskey butter? So every time I open that flap, I've been staring your doom in the face.
Well, if the blue stuff does what the blue stuff does, then...
I'm colourblind. How's it supposed to do anything for me? You opened your exit in my presence and dropped a log jobby in my bucket.
It was more like little rabbit droppings.
I can't look you in the eye.
What about my whispering eye?
Oh, no.
So how do you feel about a chemical toilet?
Well, the battery ran out on the camera whilst we were just talking, so I don't know how much was recorded. But basically I've just had some devastating news that Becky's been curling up ponies left, right and centre around the entire motorhome. They could be anywhere. I've decided to forgive you, Becky.
Thank you.
Shall we watch something on the YouTubes?
Right, welcome back to my channel, Mispronounced Adventures, and welcome back to the Swedish Arctic. I'm just outside Kiruna, but I'm in a bit of a rush this morning.
We've overslept.
Why? What time is it?
It's about 11 o'clock. Well,
We made it through the night in our stealth outfits. Well, I got a bit hot, so...
even though, Becky, you dropped a brown torpedo and sunk my battleship, I am going to make you a hottie choc.
Ooh, yes.
We're doing this properly today. This is the way you make hot chocolate. Ignore the mess, that's not part of the game. That's just part of the stupid lid system that Viva has on its milk.
Thank you.
I mean, that was probably the stealthiest one yet. We basically blended in like a bit of air. But not only that, what a week it's been. A huge thank you again to Oak Tree Motorhomes. But also, I found out this morning, I rang Rob to let him know we're bringing a van back. And I found out this morning that he also owns EcoTree Lithium, the battery company. I had no idea. Those batteries are amazing as well. I know so many people that use them. And the best thing about them is when you buy them, it's obviously a UK business. Most lithium batteries that you will buy, if you have any issues with them, good luck getting your money back, because you're not going to be able to contact anyone, or you're not going to be able to send it back because of all the shipping difficulties with batteries. But with EcoTree Lithium, they're just up the road. But right now, it's time for us to hit the road for the final time in the rolling tank and take this thing back. You're gonna have to please let us out, otherwise it's just gonna wreak havoc. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you
as well.
Thank
You didn't do anything, but thank you. She looked well confused. But finally, before we go, I just want to say, as always, a huge thank you to everybody who's donated to the channel by buying me a brain cell through the link in the description below. And I need a phrase. I need a cool phrase. All the YouTubers have cool phrases. Oh, I know. Enjoy your lives. Go on. Go and enjoy them. Turn this off.
No, don't.
That's the end now. I can.